Cornelius here from HoseFast, here with a beautiful scraper of Dines. There's a reason why these guys' reputation is so high in New Zealand, because whenever they've got a little bit of a downtime, they book their machines in for preventative maintenance. And why preventative maintenance is so important, it almost eliminates downtime. Now the best part of everything, HoseFast with their BOAhub has got a hose audit section now, and we can tell you which hose or which part of your hydraulic system needs some attendance to. Let's dive into it. So this is the beautiful BOAhub. So we go job management, asset audit, and then boom, I created a Kerry Dines group one. And you would see the details, the machine number. Yeah, let's get into it. We obviously look at the small things. Here you can see with all the mud clinging to this oil, there is a leak somewhere in the section. So normally it's either the O-ring or the Delta washer over there. That is something we would obviously mark and inform the client that that needs to be changed as soon as possible. This would be a typical hose that we would mark as we think that this hose needs to be changed as soon as possible, because this hose is showing a rust and then all the rubber is crackly and old. It's been exposed to the sun a lot and on the bend with rain. Like this hose is also a hose that we would mark and say we would just spiral wrap the hose completely just to protect it from the sun also a little bit. But this hose is a little bit far gone. It would have to be changed and spiral wrapped and installed again. So the hose we just shown that needs a replacement, we're gonna add it to the BOAhub. What it's asking is the hose. So we're gonna go Yokohama multi-spiral -20. Everything else is fine. We just keep on next. Start adding the hose name, the OEM number, hose ID if it is relevant. What is the cause of this damage of this hose? So let's get to it. As you can see, we found 3 hoses that's high priority and 1 hose that's a medium priority. We mark the hoses that we know is gonna cause some downtime and the hoses that we don't think is gonna cause downtime but would be damaging the machine. I'm at the bottom. You can see I took a picture of the machine. All hoses has also got a picture attached to where the damage has been found. Now I can convert it to a job, convert it to a quote, I can download it, I can move it to progress, and within seconds my client has got his quotation or my technician has got his request for a job and he would be on his way doing the job. And that's it for the audit. Audit all done. Boys, don't let downtime destroy your business. Let's go.